Designing starts from a small idea to an incredibly magical one, and we love to bring our incredibly magical design to life. The 3D printer is amazing. For the last several years, it has enormously boosted our efficiency, led it possible to make extraordinary things real. Now, introducing ClayXYZ, an incredible 3D clay printer, bringing your remarkable design to real-life object. Everyone can use it to let your imagination run wild. Make your own creative artwork. No matter what you are designing, from building models, vases, cups, bowls, lampshades, sculptures, to even musical instruments, ClayXYZ can help you realize all of them. You can lighten up your life by using the artworks printed by yourself and drinking with your own printed cup. Isn't that amazing? Also, ClayXYZ comes with a 3D model library, allowing you to enjoy the fun of creating artworks, even without any experience of 3D design. Just load the clay, download the model, and start. Done. The standardized process of loading clay is as simple as changing a battery. You are able to choose different clays to deliver different styles. Also, you can glaze the artwork if you want it more fascinating. Glaze it with different colors, then fire it via kiln. Extremely stunning. Besides, you can repair the clay printed artwork. Don't worry about making it worse. Melt it in the water and reuse the material. Pretty environment friendly. Now, we have created an easy-to-use extrusion device. This device can be compatible with many existing FDM 3D printers. It can boost the clay print speed by 15% and enhance print precision from 2mm up to 0.8mm. The coolest thing is no more worry about the cost of print material. The clay is accessible for everyone. We are very excited about what we've built so far, and we'd like to invite you to enjoy the innovative life with us. Now we need your support to bring the magical ClayXYZ to life. Please back us on Kickstarter today.
This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring a Toybox into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Kid-friendly, easy to use, limitless possibilities. Toybox.
Hi, my name is Arya. I'm an engineer and a certified SOLIDWORKS professional. I'm one of the developers of Bebop, a compact, affordable, yet professional 3D printer. My dad and I started out in the garage. Our goal was to reimagine 3D printing for a wider audience and make this tool usable for everybody. For most people, 3D printers are either too large, too expensive, too difficult to use, or just basic tiny toys with unacceptable quality. We wanted to create something that would be high functioning, yet affordable, simple enough to use for everyone. Just plug it in and click print. After 2.5 years of hard work, we are proud to introduce you to Bebop, the first machine that makes 3D printing available to all people. You don't have to be an expert or a technology buff to use it. Bebop is capable of printing any object you can imagine and design. However, to jumpstart your creativity, we have created our own design database that contains many different designs ready to be printed. All you need to do is browse the database and click print for your favorite design. The use of this database will be completely free for our users and Bebop owners. Simply enjoy your creations as they come to life. We designed KubiBot with a priority on health and safety so that you can bring KubiBot into your home, your office, your classroom, or labs. KubiBot has a built-in ventilation system with a replaceable filter, making KubiBot safer than other non-filter 3D printers. Compact doesn't mean less powerful. KubiBot's heated bed and high-temperature nozzle enable it to print with a wide range of materials, including PLA plastic for toys and hobby, engineering plastics such as ABS and PC, and flexible materials as well. KubiBot's smart status notification lets you know what it's up to at all times. KubiBot is also Wi-Fi and cloud-enabled, allowing users to print wirelessly from their computer or phone using our Android and iOS apps. Given its features and its affordable price, KubiBot is truly for everybody. Families who want to print children's toys or school projects, engineers and scientists who need to produce quick prototypes, teachers, architects, and business owners. No matter what your vocation or purpose might be, KubiBot makes 3D printing technology practical, accessible, and effortless and fun for everybody. Right now, KubiBot exists as fully functional prototypes, but we need your help to finalize the web-based platform and manufacture the molds needed for production. We built a technology that puts 3D printing in the hands of everyone with a dream. Now it's up to you. What will you create with KubiBot?
Introducing Kappa, an innovative 3D printer designed to give you an experience like never before. By creators, for creators. Kappa is the world's first 3D printer utilizing the Scott Russell straight line mechanism. Used in pick-and-place robotics, this precision technology guarantees quality consistently. Our proprietary design feature is the linear movement of the nozzle to the bed. The result? A large build volume with a small footprint. Print more with less. The modular design requires simple assembly and can be completed in a few minutes. This modularity keeps Kappa compact for easy storage. The customized mold and CNC milling process used to produce the aluminum unibody tower ensures our technical specifications are met exactly every time. Incorporating a detachable bed makes print removal effortless and has eliminated the need to recalibrate the machine after each use. Working out of the National University of Singapore, we have been developing Kappa for over a year. Each iteration was driven by our focus to achieve accuracy and reliability. We have worked with our manufacturers and suppliers to produce our prototypes on the actual machinery using the final materials so that our transition to full-scale production is seamless. Our design for manufacturing and assembly approach is to provide flow on benefits for production, delivery, and customer experience. We are now ready to share Kappa with you. With our OEMs on standby, we need your support to make Kappa a reality. Experience something new. Experience Kappa. Back us on Kickstarter today.
About 6 months ago, we decided to make the M3D Pro based on getting feedback from our existing users. So we've already gone through 3 iterations of design prototypes and we're almost completely done the engineering. 3 months ago, we proved a lot of the important concepts like making a heated bed that uses less power, proving that it can move a lot faster, proving the benefits of higher quality and higher precision metal parts. And right now we're going through the final phases of proving the feedback system and finishing the next steps in programming.
Our goal with the M3D Pro is to make the most reliable 3D printer in history, and the way we're going to do it is by combining a full suite of sensors, what we call a sensor network, with precision metal parts. The combination allows the printer to become more self-aware, and it can correct for errors that are common in all 3D printers, the cheap ones and expensive ones, things such as filament snags, print head crashes, even power outages.
First time I ever heard about 3D printing was one of my friends printed a Ninja Warrior training hold and I thought it was really cool.
The unique thing that you're getting with M3D Pro that we have not yet seen in this industry is that ability for the printer to sense many different things within itself. It has the ability to sense position, it has the ability to sense speed, it has the ability to sense temperature in 5 different places, and if there's a problem, it can be self-diagnosed and in almost all cases can be self-corrected. Ultimately, that gives you more time in the creative process.
With 3D printing, I have right on my desk, or my granddaughters have right on their desk. If they get an idea, they can try to make that idea on a 3D printer right there. They can turn their ideas into reality. This I didn't have when I was a kid.
Really, the greatest advancement that 3D printing could accomplish at any point in the future is ease of use, making it so that anybody can just go from an idea to creating that idea within an afternoon.
We've introduced this new thing that we call tutorial mode. So what we got from our feedback from original backers was that they wanted more detailed guides so they can grow into becoming an expert user rather than having to start as an expert user.
The thing I think that needs to happen for educators is speed is an issue, how fast we can turn around.
So with M3D Pro, you have the ability to print a single prototype with extreme accuracy and high quality, but you also have the ability to take that prototype and print it in quantity, cover the entire print bed with multiples of your model and produce it at volume.
I am so excited for the future, not only for me, but for my daughter, to grow up being able to use her mind to create anything she wants to, thanks to a 3D printer.
I've been fascinated with just the whole idea of 3D printing for quite a while now, focusing on just simple things that I could print for around the house, or toys that I could print to play with my kids. Really just the idea that I could create something myself.
So the M3D Pro is already successfully funded and is the largest crowdfunded 3D printer this year. Due to popular demand, we're opening up pre-orders using the Indiegogo in-demand platform.
And what M3D is doing, I think many people are going to see as extremely innovative, and they're going to want to be first to support it and to help nurture where this technology is going to go. They just also happen to get a printer as one of their rewards very early and at a deep discount.